Well, as promised, as we said before, we were going to incorporate the EchoLink back into the station, and we did. Here you see EchoLink is playing here. Here you see wires is down here. Here's our wires radio, and we pull this back, and here is our EchoLink system right here. Now we're running here an FTM 350, and we have a dummy load perched in the back. We're running this like about 5 watts, and we have it on the SMB 201 cooler from Yaesu, and as you see, the signal link and the radio here. And up here, this radio is being ran off of this server up here. So this is the completion of the EchoLink system, and we're now on 438.1, but it's local. It's right here for the shack, and occasionally we could put it on a smaller antenna and maybe radiate a couple of miles. So anyway, I hope you have yourself a great one, and I thank you for looking at my videos. Feel free to give us a like, and we'll talk at you down the log. 73s, K2CSX.